Why does the Qur'an begin with Surah Al-Fatiha? Not with history, not with law, not with command. It begins with orientation. Before the human being is told what to do, he is reminded who he stands before. Surah Al-Fatiha quietly asks the questions every soul carries. Where do I belong? Who do I rely on? And who guides me when I do not know the way? This chapter does not rush forward. It slows the heart down. The word Al-Fatiha means the opening. But this opening is not about pages. It is about awareness. Classical scholar Imam Fakhr ad-Din al-Razi wrote that Al-Fatiha contains the essence of all divine guidance: praise, dependence, and direction. The Qur'an begins by shaping the inner posture of the reader. Because revelation does not land on empty ground, it lands on a prepared heart. Al-Fatiha is a prayer before it is a lesson. It teaches the human being not to demand knowledge, but to ask for guidance. Imam al-Ghazali described Al-Fatiha as the map of the spiritual journey, from knowing God to knowing oneself to walking rightly. Surah Al-Fatiha was revealed in early Mecca, a period of vulnerability, pressure, and uncertainty. The Qur'an did not begin by imposing rules. It began by grounding the soul. Mercy comes before judgment, relationship before responsibility. This structure is intentional. Interestingly, scholars outside Islam noticed a similar pattern. Christian theologian Hans Kuhn wrote that genuine faith begins not with dogma, but with humility and orientation toward the transcendent. Philosopher Søren Kierkegaard emphasized that truth must be approached inwardly before it can be understood outwardly. Even psychologist Carl Jung, though not a believer in revelation, recognized that prayer-like structures orient the psyche toward meaning and order. Al-Fatiha follows this same human pattern, aligning the inner world before addressing the outer. The straight path is not perfection. It is direction, a path that allows correction, a path that keeps meaning alive. The Qur'an begins here because without direction, even truth can overwhelm. The Qur'an opens with Al-Fatiha because guidance must be desired before it is received. Before knowledge, readiness. Before action, intention. Before revelation, humility. O Lord of all paths and all hearts, guide us when we are lost, calm us when we are overwhelmed, and keep our hearts open to truth. Do not let knowledge harden us or belief divide us. Let guidance bring us humility and understanding bring us peace. O Lord of all creation, the one who knows what is spoken and what remains hidden in the heart, we stand before you not with certainty, but with need, not with perfection, but with hope. Guide us when the path feels unclear. Guide us when knowledge overwhelms us and when doubt weighs heavily on our hearts. Do not let our hearts harden with what we learn. Do not let our tongues speak truth while our actions drift away from it. Grant us understanding that brings humility and wisdom that brings mercy. If we forget, remind us gently. If we fall, lift us without humiliation. If we wander, return us without delay. Make the Qur'an a light in our confusion, a companion in our loneliness, and a guide in our decisions. Do not allow us to read your words without being transformed by them. Let our seeking be sincere, our intentions pure, and our paths straight. O Lord, give peace to hearts that are restless, clarity to minds that are burdened, and patience to souls that are tired. Accept this moment of reflection, not for our worth, but through your mercy. Amin.